I was told that if I get in this old police car, that Joe provided the track that I get a new vacuum cleaner. I gotta go do donuts, so let's go do donuts. Oh my gosh. Oh heavens. What's that button do? Sit down where they can hear me, but I'm a little scared. I'll sit down.
You can talk through that.
We are about to rock.
Oh! House. Y'all ready?
227 door on the front. Mom, do it.
There it is. She got it. That's two. We gotta do three. There it is. She wanna like you bad. Oh, she wants some more. Extra. Extras.
We'll get after.
I actually do believe it'd be really hard to fit that.
What's the verdict? Do I get my vacuum cleaner?
Yeah, I guess so.